class 6. Today I will teach you decimals exercise 60. So here we will study about multiplication of decimal number. Multiplication of decimal, see, 5.23 into 10. So what to do here? This example 523. If we will multiply by 10 means 1 0 is there, so after one digit in right side we will put decimal. Okay, here after one digit. Why? Because by 10 we are multiplying 1 0. See, second 32.546 into 100. 32.546 you write down. Then we are multiplying by 100 means 20. So 1 2 here you have to put decimal after two digit in left right side. Okay, dear students, 1 2 here count from 1 2 here you have to put decimal. Third example 0.0053 into 1000. When you have to multiply by 1000, then you write down 003. So 1 2 3 1 2 3. Yep, 1 2 3 here right side you put decimal. Now 5.3. Okay, dear students. So this is the multiplication. Now another 1.15.23 into 0.4. So what to do here? 15 to 3 you multiply by 4. 1 4 3 are 12, 4 2 are 8, 1 9, 4 5 are 20, 4 1 are 4, 1 6, 4 2 6. Here 2 digit, here 2 digit. So here after one digit decimal is there. So count 1 2 3. Here we will put decimal. Okay, these are the example. Like this only we have to do. Question number 1. Multiply. First part 7.37 into 10. Dear student, I told you when you multiply by 10, then decimal will go right side after one digit in right side. 1 here it was here, after one digit in right side we will put decimal. Okay, dear students. Now third part 94.78 into 100. 94.78 will write down. See, we are multiplying by 100. So it was here 1 2. Here we will put decimal. Here we can write 9,478 is the answer. Another method. Then first part 7.37 into 10. When we will multiply by 10, then increase 1 0. You can put decimal after two digit in left side. 1 2. See, 1 2, yeah, 1 2 in left hand side. Okay, then this is another method, dear students. 94.78 into 100. What to do here? 94.78 20 you increase after two digit in left side. We have to put decimal. Okay, like this you have to do. Question number 5th part. See, 0.0408 into 100. So by any method you can do. 0408 20 are there, so 1 2 here you put decimal 4.08. Now part 7 0.00005068 into 1000. So what to do here? 1 2 3 here we have to put decimal. 1, 2, 3. Here you have to put decimal 0, 0, 6, 8. Okay, this is the answer. Question number 2. First part 0.8 into 0.6. See, 8 6 are 48. 1, 2. After 2 digit in left side, we will put decimal. Okay, dear student. Now, third part 0.008 into 0.007. 8 5 are 8 7 are 56. Okay. After how many digits will put decimal in left side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here only 2 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to put decimal here. Okay, dear students. Now, fifth part 3.6. 3 into 0.0005. Now multiply 363 by 5. 5 3 are 15, carry 1. 5 3 are 5 6 are 30 plus 1 31, carry 3. 5 3 are 15, 3 18. Here product is 1815. After how many digits? We have to put decimal. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are there. And 2, then 2 0 will increase. Here we will put decimal. Here this is for show only. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6 digits we will put decimal. In left side, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, dear students, this is the answer. Question number 3. First part 4.9 into 2.7, then 49 multiplied by 27. 7 9s are 63, carry 6. 7 4s are 28, 4 6 34. Now 2 9s are 18, carry 1. 2 4s are 8, 1 9. 3 4 8 12. It is 13. Okay. So we will write this 1 2. After 2 digit in left side we will put decimal. This is the answer. Okay, dear students. Now third part 26.2 into 3.7, multiply 262 by 37. 7 4 are 7 2s are 14, carry 1. 7 6 are 42, 43, carry 4. 7 2s are 14, or 18. 3 2s are 6, 3 6 are 18, carry 1. 3 2s are 6, 1 7. Again 7 2s are 14, carry 1. 7 4s are 42, 43, carry 4. 7 2s are 14, 4 18. 3 2s are 6, 3 6 are 18, 3 2s are 6, 1 7, 4 9, 16, 8 1 9. We add this, then it is 9 6 9 4 1 2. After 2 digit in left side we will put decimal. Okay, dear students. Now fifth part 0.778 into 680. Now 778 by 680. You have to multiply 0 0 0. 8 8 are 64, carry 6. 8 7 are 56, 62, again 6, carry 8 7 are 56, 6 62. Now 6 8 are 48, carry 4. 6 7 are 42, 46, carry 4. 6 7 are 42, 46. 0 4 10 will add, and this is 9 because carry here 1 9. Then 12 5. Again 0 8 8 are 64, 6 carry, 8 7 are 56, 6 62. 8 7 are 56, 6 62, then 6 8 are 48, 6 7 are 42, 4 46, 6 7 are 42, 46, 8. Now equal to 529040. After how many digits we will put decimal? 1 2 3 in left side, 1 2 3. This is the answer, dear student. Now exercise completed.